set amongst the rolling hills of Southwest Medford. Coleman Hills Drive is a premier gated subdivision in a breathtaking rural landscape. Through a gated entrance on Coleman Creek Road, this premier living experience starts with a sense of seclusion and privacy provided by a private road and large acreage home sites. Great care was taken to tame the once wild landscape while helping create a healthy forest and retain an abundance of nature and privacy. Each lot was then designed in order to maximize both privacy and views across the valley. From the fruit orchards and beautiful eastern foothills of the valley to the vineyards and estates that grace the west, the building envelopes are established and are build ready. Utilities include underground power, water, and septic approval. The Southwest Medford area is home to abundant wildlife, and this hillside is no exception. Nearly 200 acres of adjacent public lands and a number of large tract private parcels makes Coleman Hills a haven for local critters, including the beautiful mature black-tailed deer. Conveniently located large tract land is becoming scarce and sought after. Take this opportunity to create your luxury hilltop experience. The Rogue Valley provides plentiful amenities while retaining a desirable rural charm. Medford offers the conveniences of modern life with world-class medical care and the Rogue Valley Airport. While nearby Jacksonville and Ashland provide rich cultural experiences including fine dining, exquisite wineries, and boutique shopping. Come take in the view from the mountain and claim your future luxury rural home site.